I am back in Da Nang, a city where the rhythm of life is as fluid as the tides on its endless beaches. As I step up the plane, the warm September air embraces me like an old friend, a mix of summer's heat and the promise of rain. Da Nang will be my base for the central Vietnam journey. For this leg, we will be going to Hoi An, and hindi natin napuntahan last time. Alright, so let's go and explore Da Nang. Oh my god, this is gonna be exciting. This time, I'm veering away from the usual tourist spots. Instead, with the help of Iris, my local Vietnamese friend, we will explore central Vietnam's off the beaten paths while saving a lot of unnecessary costs along the way. The beauty of travel lies not just in the places we visit, but in the souls we meet along the way. At the hotel, I cross paths with other wanderers, each carrying their own stories. Strangers at first, but travel has a way of weaving us together, turning moments into friendships and nights into conversations filled with dreams of the next destination. This time, I do what I missed in my first visit. I walk through the streets where the scent of street food mingles with the sea breeze. I feel the pulse of Da Nang beneath my feet. There's something poetic about wandering with no destination, allowing the city to unveil itself layer by layer. Every corner a discovery, every alley a whisper of a new story. Walking tour, taking videos and clips and pictures while walking around Da Nang. This is really very beautiful here. New experience because slow walking lang tayo ngayon while we are knowing more of Da Nang. Yung pogi dito. Una natin si Kuya. If you are wondering if the owner of this hotel is Casa Belgas, I'm wondering too. Soko, Son of the Crime Operative. May hotel pala siya dito sa Da Nang. Ikaw ba ay nangangati? Malamang, buni, or alipungayan? This is an mini mart. This one I like the name, 4:30 PM here. Yeah. Bago ito na sa friend ko na si J.K. Mendoza. 4:30 pa lang lasing na. This is a nice coffee shop as well. Asan Coffee Shop. Where are you? Asan? Here am I. Asan nga? Here am I. If you think that Philippines is the only one celebrating Christmas early on, you're wrong. Because here in Da Nang, as early as September as well, they already have Christmas lights all over the place. Kakalakad natin, we are nearing the beach already. I don't know what beach is this, but I think it's on the other side of Da Nang. There. We are finally back in Mikey Beach here in Da Nang. There you go. The sea has a way of holding onto the day, even as the sun dips below the horizon. Mikey Beach dusk is where time stands still. The sky blurs into hues of orange and purple, and I find myself lingering, feeling the sand pool under my feet as night slowly takes over. Da Nang is alive in every light, in every breath of the ocean breeze. Hey guys, we are here now at Mikey Beach here in Da Nang. The good thing about this tonight is it's already dark, pero good thing about this is the beach is being provided with light. Kaya maliwanag, marami pa naliligo. So tomorrow, let's see kung makakapag-night swimming tayo. I love Da Nang and I love Central Vietnam, but of course, I haven't been to a lot of beautiful places in Vietnam. There are a lot of places in Vietnam that you need to be or you need to visit at least in this lifetime. Nightfall takes me to the Soncho night markets, a traveler's playground of colors, flavors, and sounds. The seafood beckons, the fruit candies tempt, and I sip coconut juice as I haggle for treasures. It's more than just a market, it's a celebration of life, where every stall is a glimpse into Da Nang's heart. Shopping here isn't just about things, it's about experiences. Okay guys, we are done window shopping, but we got some things there. We bought something from the market. Or night market. This is actually just a few minutes away from my hotel. So we're now walking back to the hotel. We also tried the buko and the ice cream and everything na sold just beside the market. Pansin ko lang maraming Koreans ngayon here sa Da Nang. The next day, I reunite with Iris, an old friend from my last visit. We head to the Wink Skybar, a rooftop oasis with a 360 view of Danang. Below us, the Hand River glows as a dragon bridge illuminates the night. It's a moment of stillness, where beers and conversations about life flow as freely as the night wind. This is the magic of Danang. It invites reflection, connection, and a sense of belonging.
Iris again.
Hey guys, we're on top of the wing, so here in Danang. So hi Iris.
Hi.
So our friend Iris here is touring us around.
That's one of the rooftop, the highest rooftop in Danang. It's have a good price and good service for everyone. Come here, you can take a look with all the play in Danang.
Yay!
That's a trick because not many tourism will come there.
Cool.
Yeah, we will be so the one will be very fine about that. Right?
Yes, definitely. That night, we joined the locals at a hidden seafood spot by Nike Beach. Over a few drinks, we dive into discussions about Danang, about life, about the paths we walk. In these moments, Danang isn't just a destination. It becomes a part of our journey, shaping our thoughts and our hearts as we watch the world turn past midnight.
2 a.m. for everyone
Cool.
to enjoy there.
What are those things? Are they fishermen or something?
That's the play for. Before that's the village, a fisher's village. But after that, it become when it's become a popular. That's it, a play for tourism for here with some running tour. I told you.
Riding the motorbike, weaving through the city's veins. The Danang in motion feels like freedom. The wind in our faces, the streets sprawling out before us. This is just the beginning. There are more roads to take, more places to explore. The next few days blend into a rhythm of coffee shops where the afternoons are spent sipping strong Vietnamese coffee and catching up on work. Each sip a pause, each cafe a space to think and just be. And then there's the food, from banh mi to pho. Every bite is a piece of Danang soul. Even the simplest meals here feel like a love letter to the senses. Though Danang is now frequented with tourists, mostly Koreans and Chinese, the prices of food and services aren't bloated still compared with other tourist-heavy spots in Southeast Asia. For Filipinos who want the experience of Vietnam, local carriers now have direct flights to Danang from Metro Manila, making central Vietnam accessible from the Philippines. On the weekend, I witnessed the Dragon Bridge come to life. Fire and water entwine in the night air as tourists gather to marvel at the spectacle. There's something hypnotic about it, the way it draws people together, connecting us to shared wonder under the night sky. I also like the night scenes in Danang. To celebrate Ivy's birthday, we went to a bar. I met fellow travelers who have found a home away from home here in Danang. For them, Danang is more than just a vacation spot. It's a beloved getaway for its balance of relaxation and adventure. Friendships forged here go beyond borders. They carry promises of future travels and reunions in distant lands. This trip to Danang felt different from my first. This time, the city feels familiar, like an old friend. There's a comfort in solo travel now, in the quiet moments, in the connections I made, in the stories I carry with me. Danang is no longer just a place on the map. It's a feeling, a rhythm I've learned to dance to. Unlike all journeys, it leaves me with more questions than answers about life, about the world, and about myself. But this isn't the end. In the next episode, we'll take you beyond the city's heart to the wonders that lie on its edges. Then, we'll take the roads that lead out of Danang to the surrounding wonders of central Vietnam. Until then, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures. See you on the next journey.